tacked on and the exhaust is sitting on its own weight, and now time to start welding everything up. These practice welds are looking great, man. I think you got this.
Let's do it.
Let's send it.
Let's do it.
Okay, so we got a second line set up here. We're gonna purge it so that the inside of the weld stays all clean. Open this up a little bit, let some gas out, and then Matt's gonna weld it. Okay. Matthew.
Yeah.
Exhaust looks pretty good, hey?
Well, it's not bad.
What do you think?
It's not bad. I definitely have more to learn, but it should hold no gases should escape.
These welds are looking beautiful, and the purge weld definitely helped a lot keeping it clean. You definitely can't see anything inside right now, but oh yeah. Look at that. It keeps it way cleaner.
Yeah.
So yeah, time to pull off the rest of this stuff back here. And Matt's gonna just get to welding the rest of this exhaust.
Definitely gonna be louder on track.